a function y equals f of x is transformed by a reflection over the x-axis followed by a translation vector of 6, negative 1. And we're going to write an expression for this transformed function, and we're also going to find the image of point A, which is at 2, 4, before it's transformed. Alright, so we are doing a couple different things to our function. We are reflecting it over the x-axis, and we're also translating it forward 6 and down 1. So we're going to take it over the x-axis and then shift it 6 units in the positive x direction and 1 unit in the negative y direction. Alright, so for the first part here, let's write this down. This is forward 6 and down 1. Alright, so we don't have a specific function, we just have y equals f of x. So when we apply these transformations, the first thing we want to take care of is the reflection over the x-axis. So the reflection over the x-axis is going to reflect the graph down, right, in the down-up direction. And so that's going to be accomplished by multiplying the function by negative 1. Okay, so that's going to be a reflection across the x-axis. Then if we want to shift it forward 6, we need to subtract 6 from the value of x before we evaluate the function. And then down 1, we're going to subtract 1 here at the end. For part 2, we have a point on the curve of y equals f of x, and it's called point A. And it's at 2, 4. Okay, so we are going to put this in the transforminator. We're going to apply these 3 transformations and see where it ends up. Alright, so reflection over the x-axis, that's going to multiply the y-coordinate by negative 1. So reflecting over the x-axis, we're going to take the y-coordinate and multiply it by negative 1. So 4 times negative 1 to get negative 4. And then the other thing we're doing in the y dimension is we're shifting the curve down 1. So we need to take 1 away from this negative 4. So negative 4 minus 1 is negative 5. So our y-coordinate of the image of point A is going to be negative 5. Alright, so then for our x-coordinate, we are shifting the whole curve forward 6. So if our x-coordinate was at 2, now it's going to be at 8. So our x-coordinate is going to be 8. So the image of point A under this transformation is going to be at 8, negative 5. And sometimes we call that A prime.